Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. Wanted to make a quick new video. Want to show you some results today. Here we go. Here we go. Starting today. Here's the midnight, as you can see. Starting out with some payments, 317s. It goes about $50 and a whole lot of $1 payments. And today you can get started for $1 too. You can find the link below. It's really good system. $1, as you can see, the payment proof is right here. Coming in just about every few hours or so. Drove a lot of leads in today. Actually purchased some traffic today. As you can see, 3,500 leads. A lot of leads, guys. That's just over the last couple of days here. And you come here and you can see my GVZ as we just turned the corner. This was today's results, and looking at $58 and 1,000 visitors, 1,500 clicks, and 15 sales. And as I always say, guys, the majority of people, when they first come into your business, they don't always buy right away. Okay, this is the reason why we use autoresponders, because as we collect these leads throughout the weeks, the days, the months to go by, people will then convert as they go down through your sales funnel. Okay, but again, you can get started for $1. Now, of course, you can't actually purchase your own online full business for $1. But what the dollar does is it gets you inside the system. It allows you to do what we call a trial. Okay, that means that for 7 days, you'll be able to see everything that's going on. You'll be able to talk to someone. You'll actually get to communicate with people to actually be explained the business. Okay, this way you're not out of pocket anything if you feel like it's not a fit for you. Okay, but as you can see, this is something I do every day. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know that this does work. I always show proof. I'm always showing you, what I'm doing from day to day. So if you're sitting on the sidelines and you're still, guessing, why not just take the plunge, pull the trigger, $1, get inside, see what it's about, and finally take off, take off as being in your life, going from wherever you are, for whatever reason you're watching this video and you're on this channel, go from where you are there and go to where you want to be, okay? As far as owning your own business and starting your own sales funnels and getting people through your sales funnels the way that saying what did I do every day. This is something you can do. Everything you see I'm doing, you can duplicate my success. This is Mike Internet Pro. Click the link below. Get started today. Take the $1 trial offer. It's a test drive, okay? Do it for yourself.